Just add a candle to the coffee. Once I learned this, I never spent money again. You will thank me for the result. After I discovered this, I never had this problem again. For this precious tip, we will need 3 candles. Then, place it in a pan, turn it on to low heat, and wait for it to melt. After melting the entire candle, you will reserve the pavis. Do not throw them away, because we will need them to use at the end. Let's transfer all the melted candle to a glass. You can use any container you prefer, as long as it is not a plastic container. Next, we will add cloves. Next, we will need coffee powder. If you prefer, you can use coffee grounds, which works as well. We will only use a spoonful of coffee powder. Then, mix very well until the coffee powder dissolves in the candle. After mixing very well, our tip is almost ready. Remember the wick we reserved? Now let's use it. With the help of a large toothpick, simply secure the wick, then center it in the center of the container, then leave it here for a few minutes until the candle hardens. After time, it will look like this. Remove the toothpick, then cut off the excess wick. And what you've just made is a wonderful scented insect repellent candle. Now, light the candle and you will immediately feel the aroma of your home change. The smell of fresh coffee can transform any environment. Together with clove, it will help to scare away all types of insects from your home, especially flies and flies. And it's ready. You can use it in the environment you prefer. If you liked it, leave a rating from 0 to 10, which rating